Hey, so today's topic is focused on how far in advance you should plan your content for SEO purposes. What do I mean by that? For example, we are coming up on Christmas time. If you are a business that's selling a product or a service that's related to Christmas, you can pretty much bank on the fact that your content that is geared towards Christmas is not going to pick up any steam. But it's a perfect time to start planning about 3 months in the future. SEO and the internet cycle on a 3-month period. So if you're in the beginning of December, you need to start planning your content for February. The reason why is because it takes search engines a little bit of time to recognize that you've produced more content specific to the season. But if you find yourself really wanting to promote a seasonal product and you feel like it might be too late, go ahead and put it out. But optimize it in mind, thinking that the next year's holiday season will be the time that it picks up steam.